The massive AI supercomputers taking up whole warehouses are being shrunk down to fit inside a single smartwatch. Cloud-based AI burns massive energy, suffers annoying lag, and sends your private data across the internet for basic everyday tasks. Model quantization solves this by converting huge 16-bit numbers into lightweight 4-bit approximations, maintaining accuracy while drastically reducing memory. Next comes model distillation, where a giant teacher AI trains a tiny student AI to copy its exact reasoning step by step. The payoff is instant, hyper-efficient AI running completely local on your hardware, with zero lag, no subscription fees, and total privacy. Thank you for watching. If you would like to watch more of these short videos, please subscribe and comment below what you think about an animated breakdown of neural network distillation and quantization, turning massive cloud